Long, long ago, the Deepening were a mythical race of people in Ireland. They ruled the land with their magic, wisdom and their strength. They were descendants of the great goddess Dano herself. They came to Ireland, it is said, in a mist and a fog. They came through the air and the high air to Ireland. And when the Milesians arrived, the ancestors of the Gaels, a fierce battle ensued between both forces, the Gaels and the Deepening, and that battle was brutal. The truce was agreed and overseen by the Druid Undri Amergan. He was also a poet, and the agreement was made that the Milesians would take the land above the ground, and the Deepening would retreat beneath the earth, into the Shee, the hollow hills, the ancient mounds, and the hidden places of Ireland.